Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious, moist, and tender turkey breast in the oven and made with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and amazing moist turkey breast, these are the ingredients. I have salt, ground cumin, garlic powder, thyme, black pepper, ginger powder, mustard, mayonnaise, of course, our turkey breast, and the little bags for the oven. So let's get started. Of course, I want to show you step by step how to prepare this topping. Half a cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 of a cup of mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, cumin, thyme, and ginger. Look at this. I have all the spices here, and I am ready to incorporate everything into the mayonnaise and the mustard. Let me tell you, this combination for the turkey, oh my gosh, your turkey breast is going to come out so juicy, so delicious that I am sure you're going to love it. I am going to incorporate everything really good. I have preheated my oven to 450 Fahrenheit. Yes, 450 Fahrenheit. Look at this mixture, nice and thick, nice and delicious. And let me tell you, once you make it, you're really going to fall in love with it. I am ready to start preparing the turkey breast. Of course, first I am going to separate the skin from the meat. Look at this. My hands are nice and clean, and I really wanna really separate the skin so that I could add the mixture with all the spices in between the skin and the turkey breast, just like that. Once you have it like this, of course, I am going to put it inside the baggie that is going to go in the oven. I am going to cover everything really good with this delicious mixture. Once everything is covered, we're going to flip it over and we are going to cover the turkey breast. Let me tell you, this really takes time, but your turkey breast is going to come out so juicy and delicious that you're really going to love it. Thanksgiving is around the corner, and of course, we all want to enjoy a delicious, moist, and tender turkey breast. Of course, I am going to cover everything. The skin is going to taste amazing with all these ingredients right on the top. Once everything is really coated with this creamy mixture, we are going to go ahead and tie the little bag. Put it in the oven for 90 minutes. Yes, 90 minutes without opening your oven. Of course, every oven is different. I am going to just pull to the side, tie it, and put it in the oven for about 90 minutes until I see the bag nice and dark and black. Then I know that the turkey breast is going to be ready. Remember that it's going to get nice and dark because it has mustard. Don't worry, everything's going to be fine. And now that I have this ready, I am ready to put it in the oven. The oven is already nice and hot. And this is the best part when you make turkey breast. You just have to put it in the oven, and then I'll see you back in 90 minutes. That easy. And now I am ready to reveal how this turkey breast came out. Don't worry if the bag is nice and black. It's going to be because it has mustard. And the mustard really burns really fast. So I am just going to remove all the plastic, open it, and let it sit for a couple minutes so that all the juices that are there in the little bag, I could put them right on the top. Look at this. You could really see all the juices the chicken breast released. And of course, we are going to use it. The skin really protected the turkey breast. Look at this. My home really smells amazing. And of course, I am ready to put it in the presentation plate. You could see that the bones fall off very easily. And I am going to decorate it. You decide what you want to add and what kind of side dishes you want to enjoy this turkey breast with. But now, of course, I want to remove all the skin. The skin is going to taste amazing. And here I'm just removing very carefully because it's nice and tender and moist. And look at this. Look how delicious this looks. I am ready to slice away. It's still nice and hot, but I can't wait to enjoy. I am sure you're going to love it. Look at this. Look how warm, hot, delicious. And this is the best way to enjoy your turkey breast right when it comes out of the oven. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And I am ready to prepare my plate. Of course, I'm just going to add all those drippings of the turkey breast, and I'm gonna get one slice. Look at this. A little bit of the drippings of the turkey breast. Those are so delicious and amazing. A little piece of the turkey breast, and then I am going to really cover with the amazing juices of the turkey breast. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. Once you make it, you're going to love your turkey breast. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this turkey breast. Let me tell you, all the drippings, all the juice was collected on the bottom of the bag. Look at this. Like I always say, when you bake with love, everything comes out amazing. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So moist. So delicious. All those flavors, amazing. Make this amazing and juicy turkey breast. You're going to love it. Thanksgiving is just around the corner. Let's enjoy this amazing turkey breast at home. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. like, subscribe, and share. I will stay enjoying this tender, moist, and delicious turkey breast. See you soon. Bye-bye.